Unbelievable, my lovely, wonderful people. New things are happening in Edo National Assembly. APC has happened to gain majority, of the state house, the assembly, and PDP. If you say it's in the losing end, I don't think you'll be wrong. So PDP is very, relevance in the house is gradually dwindling, and the truth of it is if something is not done, the governor says PDP will soon be forgotten. So everybody is just because opposition is good, it brings about pointing to the fact that corrections must be made, things must be done decently and in order, or if that is not done, you'll be surprised. So Governor Monday Okpebholo has continued to, ensure that anyone who is not standing with his government is totally relinquished to the background. And so this is part of what is happening now. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. APC gained majority in Edo State Assembly. See what the implication is. APC has gained majority in Edo Assembly. The All Progressive Congress has become the majority party in Edo House of Assembly following the movement of 4 lawmakers on Wednesday, 3 from the People Democratic Party and 1 from the Labour Party, citing internal division within their former party. They want a party which has more unified front. The 3 lawmakers from the People Democratic Party are Honorable Dennis Akoko Edo Constituency 2, Honorable Bright Orowo Constituency, and Honorable Sunday of Esan Southeast. Honorable Richard of Orode West was the one from Labour Party. Receiving those who has come to his party at the State House Secretariat, acting APC Chairman Janet Tenebi described their decision as a strong endorsement for Governor Monday Okpebholo's leadership. He highlighted the governor's commitment to economic prosperity, social harmony, and security as key factors that attracted the decampees. The lawmakers who have moved from their previous party to the All Progressive Party now clearly indicates that Governor Monday Okpebholo is delivering on his promises. They recognize that APC provide platform for progressive and good governance, and we are proud to welcome them. He added that the movement of the lawmakers to APC was not just about increasing party members, but also strengthening collective, resolute, and ultimate capacity individuals to drive meaningful change. As a party, we are confident that our new member will play a significant role in the growth and development of Edo State, he affirms. However, the People Democratic Party has condemned this in strong terms, saying they are working and doing everything humanly speaking possible to ensure that they gain majority of the House so that the governor will work unhindered. The people who are moving from one party to the other are only trying to secure a political future, and this is not what Nigeria should be all about. People should be able to stay in one party and believe in a true think and thing. These days where people move from party to party and there are no consequences, meaning they never believed in the party in the first place. When things changes, you will see them move again. It tells you there was no loyalty in them. Although this has become a normal occurrence that continues to plague our nation with no atom of honesty and sincerity, we all must be watchful and ensure that we do not allow such people to continue in this trend. Nigerians must ensure that we move forward in bringing the nation back into the desired position of change, transparency, and honesty. It is indeed a worthy of note that Nigeria must continue to advance in every way humanly speaking possible to bring us to where we need to be, to change the course of this nation and make it better for the people. The people who we have given opportunity to be leaders in different capacity, what are they doing? And how is this leadership? How is it faring? How we seeing it? Is it really affecting the people positively, or there's more to it? So when you look at it, you are still very, very confused for words, trying to understand if we are making any real progress in terms of a democratic setting, in a democratic place where people, the voice of people can be heard without any form of intimidation. We all must be able to stand together as one, and be able to speak out and ensure that, what we are speaking out does not become something else, and nobody is taking us for a ride. So it is what it is. Well, my people, if there is any time where truth, honesty, and sincerity must become the watchword, I believe it's now more than ever before. Because again and again, this nation, we are seeing a real threat to our democracy, and those who should stand for the nation are really doing different things and not really speaking up like they should. So once upon a time, if there is any time people should, rise up to it and make sure that they stand for what we believe in, I believe it's now. So this is it. This is what is happening. And why again, every single individual must bring a word into this and ensure that we are expressive of what is going on and do not allow the same people, to manipulate the system, because that's what they do. They continue to manipulate the nation. Politicians who should be following the rules so that there is rule that governs and guides us as a nation. Those rules are eradicated to the background, and when it suits them, then they use the court system. When it does not suit them, then they begin to, they do other things. Okay, how can we thrive in such a society, in such a nation, if we do not speak out? How do we thrive? Where the judiciary system can no longer be the legal entity that anybody can get to and get justice, honesty, and sincerity. Where there are people who want to, in every way humanly speaking possible, do their own thing in respect of what it really means or what is really going on. They want to, move in their own way and just do whatever they think they can do. So wake up, my people. It's the dawn of a new day. The time is now, and we cannot afford to be quiet. We cannot afford to be quiet and allow the same thing. Okay? We cannot afford to be quiet and allow the same thing. So wake up, my people. Let's do what is right. Let's be honest, let's be sincere, and let's rise to the occasion. Okay? These people, how many of them sincerely, truly mean well for the nation? How many of them are rising up to it? So please leave us a comment. Don't forget to please like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. Remember, we have a voice and we must continue to speak to end every atrocities. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.